Hello, Evan here, introducing the Halo Ear Saver. This is a 3D printed component. It's thin, flexible. There's a number of locations to attach a standard paper surgical mask to. First thing you're going to want to do is assemble the halo onto the surgical mask as shown. You see a number of different positions. The ones shown are the ones that seem to work better for us, but it will accommodate different head sizes and such with the other locations. Once it's pre-installed, it should look like this, and it's ready to put on. To put the halo on, you first hook the mask under your chin, and then just slide the halo around the back of your head, putting one strap below your ear, one above your ear, and then just adjust it for comfort. And you should be all ready to go. You can see how it fits on the back of the head for all-day comfort. If you want to wear your ponytail higher, there's plenty of room through the middle of the halo for your ponytail to go.